Hi everyone, today December 28. Now we in Manila, in Makati. We park car in parking in SM Makati. I can show to you where better park car near SM Makati, because most of tourists don't know about this is parking lot. This is very good parking lot, so many cars can park and not expensive. We can show now. Shaira also with me. Shaira use face mask, you know why? Because Andy Amar always discriminate her. You can see this is parking. Also have police station here. This is parking. First 4 hours 50 peso only. This is rates. It's all building is parking. It's named Park Square. Another side of the road, it's already SM Makati. You can see this is SM Makati. What name, Shaira?
It's part of Glorieta and SM City Makati.
SM Makati. Okay.
So it's two big store here. So if you want to make some park or find some parking lot here, you go to back of SM City Makati and then you turn right already, and then you can see the park square here.
Yeah, this is Park Square. Is building. It's only for cars. Only cars. This building. We always park in this building because it's comfortable. If we need go to in Manila, we just only park and take taxi and go into Manila. So we going inside SM
Other one, yes.
here. Okay. This is Park Square. In the front you can see airplane from airport. The same store. I feel already cold, aircon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. Happy
Happy New
holidays.
Year. Walk along. Coco? Shaira, not Coco.
Where's the food court in the top?
So we're going to Glorieta from SM Makati.
Because most of our restaurant in Glorieta
Mhm.
and food court only here in
Okay, we're going to Glorieta. This is one of entrance of Glorieta. Glorieta building. Good afternoon. Thank you. I don't know what is this. Sweet cheese corn also. Okay, Shira, let's go. In Glorieta more people than in SM Makati.
yes. Please go here for it. Oh, have already Greenwich here if you want Greenwich.
Ah, Greenwich, okay. Okay, maybe we're going to Greenwich. Okay, soup is better for me. Yes, first we're going to the...
For the Greenwich.
Yes. We're going to food court first and check. Food court. Yes. Court. I want bulalo. Oh, we can check. We decide go to Marugame Dome. Same in the same Clark had.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, ano nga po yung sasabihin doon?
May letter I po kayo, sir. Masabi na naman.
May letter I na lang.
po. Pangat pa ako ng try natin. Period po ano, ma'am? Curry order regular. Para sa teriyaki chicken doon, ma'am, serve na lang po namin sa table niyo, 15-20 minutes. Tapos sa chicken doon.
Dalawang each.
Dalawang.
Our foods, chicken teriyaki and what, Shaira?
Curry udon. Curry. Curry.
Okay. Chicken teriyaki 185 peso. And this
It's 185 also.
185. It's rice. Yes?
Yes.
Rice inside. Or rice with meat. No, only rice. It's total we pay for 405 peso. Water it's free.
And side dishes also can.
Side dishes free also. In the same Clark have same restaurant. We already take video before.
I will try here. It's good.
Okay. Okay, you try, Shaira. Try. And you can say same or not. Good? Okay, I will eat also. Chicken teriyaki, I like this one.